feel so hungry. I'm just gonna go get a snack.
All this food is now mine, now that everybody's asleep. Especially that pesky Shadow. He's so annoying. All this food is now mine, now that everybody's asleep. Especially that pesky Shadow. He's so annoying. Mad face. Time to see what's in here. Ooh! Yay, food! Yum, 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 yum.
Huh? Is that Luigi's shoes? Luigi?
Oh my gosh, how come you're awake?
I don't know. I don't even know what time it is.
With a check and the timer over there.
Oh, it's 3:57. Well then, I'm hungry and thirsty.
Well then, I don't care.
If you don't give me anything, I will kill you.
Okay, what would you want?
Well, I'd like a drink of Kool-Aid, some Cheetos, and something cool.
That's it?
Of course that's it.
Okay, well, here I go. So, why is there a broken iPad charger here? And a spoon. Broken iPad charger. Rest in spaghetti. Sigma. Okay, it's gonna need a cup. He would probably like...
Stop!
He would probably like this one. No. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Why do you want so much to eat?
Cause I'm a big bad idiot.
Whoa, okay. Here is your Kool-Aid, fresh.
Where are my Cheetos?
I'm going to get them, you meanie.
Don't you mean lazy, eh?
Stop it, Shadow. A punch.
Ouch.
Wah. Shh. Be quiet, the Shadow. I will get your pencils. Here you go. Wah. Okay, here are your Cheetos.
Hey, why is it small?
Because the video doesn't allow it to be big. People will just report it because they're so dang hungry for these pretzels.
Well, okay.
Anything else?
Yeah,
What?
a sandwich.
Welcome everybody to Cooking with Luigi. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Dynamo sandwich. So first you're going to need 2 breads. Next you're going to need to get your Dynamo. Why is it so hard? The second you put it on your bread, you want to go and grab another one. Oh, this is so hard! Oh, 911 now! Okay, I got this. So then you slap it on this one. So next you want to hang it. I hate this. Play the camera. So next you want to put the pieces of bread together. Stupid up plushy hands. Stupid. Oh yeah.
Hey Luigi, I'm coming to the... What the fuck? Ew! I'm not even eating that. He's not even for the skin. No! Ew, dude, no! No! I'm not doing that.
More for me.